Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today we're gonna be doing a really exciting video. We're gonna be doing like a mini kitchen makeover. We're gonna be building, like DIYing our own kitchen island, because when we bought the house it didn't come with one. I've always wanted one. I really wanted one. And well, the main reason why we're doing this was because, so when we bought this house, it didn't come with a pantry. So we have no pantry. So what we're using right now for the pantry are the cabinets that we need for our dishes and stuff like that. So I have no space. I literally have no space to put the food, like cans and like stuff like that, for a pantry. So we bought the house back in May. So we finally decided to do it. We're trying not to spend a lot of money, so we're gonna do everything ourselves. And I just wanted to like bring you guys along and show you guys how we're gonna do it. And we never done this before, me and my husband, but you know, we're gonna try and hopefully it comes out good. So I'm gonna show you guys. Well, you guys have seen my kitchen before, but I'm gonna show you guys and kind of explain to you guys what's happening in the kitchen. So yeah, let me take you guys to the kitchen so I can explain to you guys a little bit more about what we're doing and why we're doing it. So let's go to the kitchen. Okay, you guys, don't mind my kitchen. My kitchen is a mess right now, so don't pay attention to that. I want to show you guys my pantry, which is not a pantry, but is what's working for me right now. So right here, these are the cabinets for my dishes, and since I don't have a pantry, that's what I'm using for a pantry. Right here and right here, and then right here down here I have more stuff right here. So that's literally all we have to put our things away. So that's why we really needed a pantry. The other day I was putting things away right here, and I was literally standing right here because I'm super short and I can't reach. So I was standing right there and I was putting my cans away right here in this cabinet right here. So this cabinet right here, this wood right here, it broke. So everything fell on me. This one broke, and then this one broke too, because this one fell on top of this one. So everything broke, everything fell on me, and I was like, okay, you know what, that's it. I really need a pantry. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And then, so here right here is what we bought. We went to, I'm not sure if it was Lowe's or Home Depot. I think it was Lowe's. So we bought these cabinets. They're like kitchen cabinets, and we bought the natural wood because it was cheaper. So I'm just gonna paint them myself, and then me and my husband, we're gonna do everything that needs to be done. I didn't know if I wanted it in the middle of the kitchen or if we wanted it right here, like on this wall right here, because at first I thought that in the middle of the kitchen was gonna make the whole kitchen too small and too crowded. But once we bought the things and we put them right here, we realized that it wasn't. That, you know, we have good space. We can open everything perfectly fine. The dishwasher, the right here, the fridge. So we have really good space. So all of this is gonna be my pantry. We're gonna put like a little shelf right here in the middle, so we can have more space. And then this one also opens up right here. So now I'm gonna have so much space just for my pantry. And then it has drawers right here that I can use for my seasonings, my kitchen towels and stuff like that. And I'm really excited because I always wanted a kitchen island, like really bad. So this is what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna try to put everything in the description box, like everything that we're gonna be using, in case you guys want to know. But let's get started.
my first time ever painting cabinets, so let's pray to God they come out good.
Okay guys, update. I am almost done with the first coat. This one, it's all finished. I know it looks like shit right now, but this is the first coat, so it's gonna look better and better. Okay, right here I still need to do this, but oh, and this side. But so far so good. Let's just keep going and keep painting. Okay, so we originally wanted to do countertops exactly the same as the ones we already have in the kitchen, but we went to check them out and they're freaking expensive, and we're trying to keep this on a low budget. So we decided that we're gonna do wood countertops, kind of like a farmhouse style, because it was a little bit cheaper than buying the countertops. So that's what we're gonna do, and we got this wood. Showing right now what we're the piece that we're gonna use for the island, and we're gonna have a lot of wood left. So what I'm planning on doing with this wood is I want to do shelves in the kitchen, and I'll show you guys that later. But yeah, let's see how it comes out. We're gonna stain it, and then we bought some clear gloss because since it is gonna be a kitchen island and I'm gonna be cleaning it a lot, I do need something to protect it. Okay, so we finished painting the cabinets. We did 3 coats and we cut the wood on top already. So now he's measuring to see exactly where it's gonna go before he makes any holes or anything like that. Okay guys, so we are finally finished. Well, not completely finished because we still have to put the handles on the doors. We're gonna get the same ones that we have, but we have to order them. And then we also I need to get chairs or little stools or something, but right now with everything that's going on, I think I'm gonna have to order them from Amazon and see if I can get them soon. But yeah, you guys, I know I didn't show exactly every little step that we did, because honestly we never done this before and we were just winging it, like we were learning as we were going. So I didn't want to show you guys, oh, this is how you do it, because we messed up a lot of times. But everything came out good. It looks so beautiful. I am obsessed. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, I've always wanted an island, and I just feel like the kitchen needed something. Like, I feel like it was too empty. And then the kitchen had an echo, so I was like, yeah, we definitely do need something. And it looks really beautiful. And I finally have a pantry, which was the main reason why we needed this island. But I just love it. I just feel like it makes the kitchen look completely different, and it's just gonna be so much fun, you know, sitting right here and eating and talking while to the kids while I'm washing the dishes or something. And then it not only does it look pretty, it's really convenient, because it was really annoying when I would take out things from the fridge and I didn't have nowhere to put them, like right away. Like, let's say it was something heavy and like I didn't have anything. I had to like go all the way here and like put it right here. And then it was really boring too, that I had to whenever I was cooking, I was like right here in this corner cutting everything, and I was literally just looking at the wall. So now I'm gonna be able to like be right here doing what I have to do and watching TV at the same time. So yeah, it looks really pretty. I am obsessed. Like, oh my god, you guys have no idea how happy this makes me. And there's a lot of like decor that I want to add in the kitchen, but you know, right now like I can't really go out and buy home decor. So yeah, that'll have to wait. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.